Hello friends, I'm Fatima Farheen. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Learning. So if you're a viewer who hasn't yet subscribed, please subscribe right away. So today we will be looking at animal gender, the young one, and the collective noun for each and every animal. Cat. Male, Tom. Female, Queen. Young one, kitten. Collective noun, clutter. Sheep. Male, ram. Female, ewe. Young one, lamb. Collective noun, flock. Kangaroo. Male, Jack. Female, Jill. Young one, Joey. Collective noun, mob. Rabbit. Male, Buck. Female, Doe. Young one, Bunny. Collective noun, colony. Peacock. Male, Peacock. Female, peahen. Young one, peachick. Collective noun, peafowl. Pig. Male, boar. Female, gilt or sow. Young one, piglet. Collective noun, litter. Horse. Male, stallion. Female, mare. Young one, colt or filly. Collective noun, herd. Fox. Male, dog. Female, vixen. Young one, cub. Collective noun, skulk. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye-bye.